Welcome back, traders. There's a setup that happened on Monday, and then I really want everyone to see this particular setup. That's the reason I'm creating this particular video, because I know that a lot of people made this particular setup and then it's actually give like 1:13, even though the ratio can be a little bit small, but it's still okay because it's more than 1:10, you understand? So let's just go into my charts right now and then discuss about this setup. Alright, this is my chart right now, and then don't forget this: every single time you want to analyze the market, always analyze from what higher time frame. So this for our time frame right now. Let's just check daily time frame. Let's see what's going on daily time frame. Okay. Alright, so this daily time frame right now, and then you can see the price end of taking out this particular liquidity, this particular high, and then you'll be expecting price react and then to come all the way down, probably to take a liquidity or not, but you'll be expecting price react. Don't forget that. And then if you also like to check the first time frame, because price end up breaking this particular high, the first time frame can be like 2D. Let's check 2D. Okay. So right now, these 2D, can you see price end up taking out this particular high? And then before price can end up taking out any high in the market, we have to have what? An opposite movement. And then if you study the movement very well, you can see that price end up taking out this particular high, and then this is the order block responsible for taking out this particular high. Can you see? So price end up taking out a liquidity, and then you'll be expecting price to react in the market. So you want to enter into a trade during the reaction. So let's just go to like daily time frame. Okay, so this daily time frame right now, price end up taking out this particular high. What are you looking for in the market? You're looking for opportunity to sell the market. So checking forward time frame right now, what you're just doing, just like study inside this particular range, just like to look for what opportunity to sell the market. So actually the range I want to deal with is very small range from this particular low. Okay, so this particular high, before price end up breaking this particular low, what actually happened inside the trade, you understand? So let's check 3-hour time frame. All right, so 3-hour time frame right now, from this particular low to this particular high remain what's the same. It's remained the same. There's not any different. So let's check 2-hour time frame right now. So on 2-hour time frame right now, can you see the part it still remain what's the same. It still remain the same. Let's check our 1-hour time frame. Okay, so on 1-hour time frame right now, it still remain the same. I think I have to use a replay bar so that you guys can understand this very well. Let me just make it a replay bar. Okay. All right, so right from here. Okay, let me delete this. So this is what our range, this is the range you are dealing with in the market. You can see the price end up pushing up. I know that a lot of traders miss this particular trade. That's the reason I'm creating a video right now, just like to explain this, you understand? So price end up like going what's on a bullish direction, and then this particular movement remain the same thing. And also there's a trade that we lost this particular way. The market did not play out as I was expecting it, but at the end of the day, it ended up at loss. I'm going to like to talk about that also before I end this particular video. All right, so let's check 45 minutes time frame right now. Okay, so on 45 minutes time frame is still remain what the same. Let's check 30 minutes time frame. Okay, 30 minutes time frame remain the same. This is the range you are dealing with in the market. Can you see? This is the range you are dealing with in the market. Let's check 15 minutes time frame. So we have what our first break right here. You can see the price end up breaking this particular low. Okay, so I have to delete this particular range, and the price not going to respect this particular order block that end up breaking it. Let me delete this line so that you guys can see what I'm doing very well. All right, so you can see that price end up breaking this particular low, and then this is what the order block responsible for breaking this particular low. So price not going to respect this particular order block. Price is going to respect the one above it. Can you see price going to respect the order block above it? And then from here, you can go down to lower time frame, just like to increase what your risk-to-reward ratio. I've taught you guys this on how to go down to lower time frame, so I'll probably should do it together. Let's see. Okay, so on 10 minutes time frame remain the same. Then on 5 minutes time frame, it still remain the same. I think so. On 5 minutes time frame, now we have what this particular order block is partially inside our order block. Can you see? We have like an order block inside what our order block right here, and then it's partially inside our order block. So price don't go to respect it. Price going to go all the way above it. Can you see? Price going to go all the way above it. Let's check 4 minutes time frame, and then you can go all. You can go down also like a 1 minute time frame if you want to do that. But I'm going to stop. Let's stop. Okay, let's just do to 1 minute. Let's do to 1 minute. Let's see what's happened on 1 minute time frame. Okay, this 1 minute right now. All right. So it's remained the same. The order block actually remained the same or 1 minute time frame, and the price end up taking out this particular liquidity. Then you can enter into this particular trade and then set what your take profits 100% moment if you are scalping the market, or you should wait for the whole day to end up as what a bearish candle. I've explained this one. The reason why the whole day is going to end up as what a bearish candle is just because every single time price end up taking out a liquidity in the market, price is going to react. From there, you can find opportunity just like to enter into the market. Do you understand? Then after reaction, you can look for opportunity in opposite direction of that reaction. That means in the main direction that price is going to. So that's just for that. This is what actually happened, and then it happens on Monday. I know that a lot of people miss this particular trade right now. Let me just set my entry. Let me check the ratio, and then so you can see the ratio together. All right. So this is what stop loss, and then if you have to like to set what your take profits 100% moment right there. The ratio is very small. This one ratio 6, but if you have to like to set what your take profit this using this particular 100%, because we make use of power of the first time frame. Okay, I think a lot of people are making this particular mistake, understanding 100% movement. Every single time you analyze the market using higher time frame, you have to use higher time frame to lead the market. Do you understand that? And then every single time you use power of the first time frame, power of the first time frame can be used to do two things. It can be used for confirmation, and then it can be used to analyze a whole full market. You understand that? So if power of the first time frame is used for confirmation, that means you're not going to make use of what 100% movement of the price is giving you. Do you understand that? You have to make use of what 100% movement of the market analysis. I think a lot of people are making mistake right here. Let's just go back to like 1 hour time frame. Okay. All right. So on 1 hour time frame now, you can see this is what a liquidity. Can you see? This is what a liquidity, and then you study inside this particular range to find this particular opportunity. And then this particular moment from this particular low to this particular high did not break any side the far left side. So price is probably going to take this particular low out. You should understand that, because price did not break anything in this particular area. So you can set to take profit right here. You guys understand the reason why I say you can set to take profit right here? Because you make use of power of the first time frame as confirmation, just like to enter into the market. Price end up taking out a liquidity right here, then you use it as what a confirmation, just like to enter into the market, and then price to come all the way down. So if I would like to play the market out right now, let me just go to like our 5 minutes time frame. Okay. You can see that price came all the way down and then go below this particular low. Then we have what another reaction. I've explained this multiple times about this particular reaction right here. Let's just go back to like a 1 hour time frame. I think so. All right. So a 1 hour time frame right now, price end up taking out this particular low. Am I right? 1 hour time frame is down the first time frame. Then let me check. That means you only have one low right here. Because I'm expecting price to react right here before taking out this low. That means we only have one low. Okay, yeah, on 4 hour time frame, we only have one low. The price did not react in that particular area and then end up taking out this particular low right here. So actually, this 1:13, it's a very small trade. Not even small trade. The ratio is still okay, you understand? Because I take 1:10 as my lowest ratio. And then if you want to learn my trade strategy, you can join my mentorship program right now. It's only cost like $200 to learn, and then it's one-on-one training, just like the same way I'm teaching right now. And then you're going to see what I'm doing. So it's very, very easy so that you can understand it on time. Can understand my trade strategy on time. I only trade order block. I don't trade any other strategy. So that's just for that. So what actually happened this particular week, I'm going to show you guys another setup. Even though the setup end up in loss, okay. So this is the setup right here. I don't know actually the reason why price end up taking out this particular high this particular week. So because of that, I perceive that price no more going what on a bearish direction anymore, because price end up taking out this particular high. So we had what a loss right here. All right, let me just explain that. Okay, you can see on my chart right now on a 4 hour time frame, price ended up taking out this particular low, and then price came all the way down. Then after that, price pushed up, and then after that, price came all the way down. Can you see? So making use of the 4 different two now to identify a reorder block. This is actually, I think, yeah, the 4th way on how to identify a reorder block. So price is going to take out this particular high as what's a liquidity. Is it the 4th way or the 2nd way? Yes, both of them look alike, but this is actually. Okay, the 2nd way, yeah, the 2nd way are not satisfied reorder block, not 4th way. Price push up, down, then up. Price broke this particular low. Then you expected this particular moment to take out this particular high, but price not do that. Then price came all the way down below this particular low right here. Let me delete this so that you guys you understand what I'm saying. Okay, if the price end up taking out this particular low, you'll be expecting price to take out this particular high as what a liquidity, but price refused to take out this particular high as what a liquidity, and the price came all the way down, go below its own low right here, indicating that it's already going what's on a bearish direction. So this is what I was expecting on a Wednesday, and then price eventually end up taking us out in this particular area. So we had what a loss right here, and then it's okay because there's not any trade out there that is 100% accuracy. Sometimes you take loss, sometimes you make profit. But every single time you take a loss, you understand the reason why you take that particular loss. It's not just because you traded with your own mind, but your analysis failed you in that particular area. Not just like you don't know what you're doing in the markets. Price just decide to treat it that way. You understand? So that's the reason why you have to make use of what is strategy. Not just like you gambling in the markets. Buying and selling. No, you have to understand your trade strategy much better. So right here, I was expecting price to sell from here, but this is actually what happened. Can you see price ended up stopping us out, and then immediately price came all the way down, even go below this particular low. So this one indicates that price no more going what's on a bearish direction. I don't know if you guys understand this, because if price is going to go on a bearish direction, this is where this particular moment is going to respect, and they come all the way down. But it's indicate that price no more going what's in our direction anymore. Then if you like to go down to like daily time frame, go up. So on daily time frame right now, you can see you have what illiquidity. Can you see? Let me just draw it out so that you guys can understand what I mean. Price push up, then price came down, then price push up. This particular little movement that price move is higher high, you understand? So price has already go above this particular high. So price is going to take out this particular low as what a liquidity, and then later go above this particular high. This is actually what's up right now, and this is what price is still doing. Although today is still Friday, like I said, our price end up taking out this particular low right here. Can you see? Price end up taking out this particular low, and then respect this particular order block. Even though this particular order block right here is a very big order block, and then you can adjust it all the way below. Can you see? Because this is the order block, but you understand that price going to take out this particular low as what a liquidity. So there's not any point of you making of the full order block. So it's better for you to draw what's your order block all the way below it. So that's just what happened this particular week, and the price end up taking out this particular low. And right now, price is still going what's on a bullish direction. Do you understand that? So you can see price still moving on a bullish direction. And then I'm expecting price right now to take out this particular high. If price is still going to come all the way down, it's still going to take out this particular high right here. This high, because that is what I'm expecting. And they're probably going to take out this particular high because this is where we have the next liquidity in the market before price going to react. Do you understand? So that's just for that. So if you find this particular video interesting, please like this video right now. And then for people that want to join my mentorship program, I'm going to leave the link in the description so that you guys can contact me and then learn. It's just like one-on-one training, just like the same way I'm recording this particular video right now. We are going to have like a class together, and then you are free to ask questions. Anyway, you don't understand, you can point it, and then I will explain that particular area. That is the best way I think people can really learn trading very fast, you understand? So that's just for that. So if you're watching this video for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe and then turn up your notification so that every single time I upload video, you'll be the first to see it. So see you in my next video.